Hi everyone! I'm Divine Heidi Kabigin. So now I'm going to do a flower pot. So I'm going to use recycled materials in making my flower pot. Okay? So let me show you my materials for flower pot making. So I have this one, a gallon, or an empty gallon, sorry. So I also have different colors of paint. So I have a latex paint. So this one is a Happy Days color, which means a yellow color. Okay, so this is yellow. Ow! Careful. Okay, so I also have, sorry. Okay, what color is this? Blue ocean, of course. Blue ocean, here you go. So this is a blue ocean color. Careful, careful. So, of course, the black one. Okay. So I also have the red one. Okay. Red. Okay. I need to open this one. It's not yet open eh. Actually, this lid is very difficult to open. Is this really a lid? I don't think so. Okay, you see? This is how I'm going to open this one. Okay, it's difficult to open this one. Actually, I had a hard time opening my paint. Okay, be careful. See? You see? I can't open it. So even a smaller one, I can't open. So I'll continue later. So I have the red color also, latex paint also. So I have a metal saw. Of course, I have a paintbrush. Actually, this one is for uh, the little child only, but I'm using it also. This is a paintbrush used in school. This is the real one, paintbrush. Okay, so I need to soak this one in the water because I'm using a latex paint or water-based paint. So now I still have to show you the others. So of course we need cutter because later on we're going to cut this gallon. Okay, so now after cutting, now you see it's already cut. So I have already cut this one. So let's remove the cover. So this is how it is. This is how it will it look like. So this one. So I'm going to paint it. Let's paint it with yellow. So I already transferred some of the yellow color in the other container. So I have this one. But before that, of course, I needed first to use the black. Oh, where's the black one? I can't find it. So, for example, we're coloring it already. So, let us try coloring it. Where's the black one? Wait. Hold on a minute. Yeah, there you go. So, the others might be asking, where did I use the metal saw? So, I use it for cutting on the top. So, like here. Like here. Okay? So, now let us start painting it first. So, what am I going to paint in here? So, I have this brush for the black one. Let's start painting. Okay, I will open the black. Be careful with the paint. Alright, there you go. So I need some yeah. Alright. So now, of course, I already have a finished one. Okay, this is what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, this is it. Yeah, here. So look at this one. This is my favorite character. One of my favorite characters. Cartoon character. So, Tweety Bird. Okay. I'm not that good yet, but I'm still doing my best. Okay. Still have the other one. So, here. So, which one is better? Okay. This one or this one? I think this one. I think for me, this one. This is just a trial and error. But, of course, I'm going to use it. I will put my flower in here. Okay, so I need some soil first. Okay, so please do follow me on my Facebook account, Divine Heidi Garado Cabigin, and my page All About Art, and my YouTube channel. So please subscribe and click the like and share button. Okay? So I need to continue, guys. So I will do my flower pot again and again because I still have to do more of it. Okay. See you in my next video. Thanks. Bye. Mwah. God bless everyone.